Alright guys, welcome back to another video with your man Jay. So today I'm going to show you video footage and photo samples from this device. This is actually the Redmi Note 10 and it has got some great cameras on it. So today we're going to go ahead and take a look at the cameras footage and I just took some a quick 4K 60 video outside and then I took several photos. So we'll take a look at that now and then we'll come back in just a second. 4K video sample and dogs barking. You get 6 times zoom in 4K. Zoom is pretty smooth, actually. Alright guys, so what did you think about that footage, man? What did you think about the 4K 60? What did you think about, or just the 4K footage period? What did you think about the photos? Video is something that I definitely would focus on with this camera, especially in this setting. You can really get a sense of how well the video would do. Like if I were going to shoot, if I were going to shoot a video right now of this phone right here. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to go ahead and hit record and shoot this video. So here is the Pixel 4a 5G. This is the device. This is the Redmi Note 10. That's another quick sample indoors if I was going to use this for YouTube. So there you go. I mean, the footage that comes from this phone is absolutely great, man. I mean, the fact that it can shoot 4K 60 in itself, there's a lot of phones in this price range that do not shoot 4K 60, and 4K 60 is definitely top of the line. I mean, if you just like really high quality video, you'll get it with this phone right here. I'm not surprised that the photos are good, but I am surprised at how well the phone does indoors and outdoors. Like I said, it's not mind-blowing, but it's definitely great at this price point, and that's what you have to consider. Besides the fact, this is just a beautiful, I mean, this phone is just freaking beautiful. This is a gorgeous device. So yeah, man, this is fantastic quality coming from a very affordable device when you think about it. So Xiaomi, I've been rocking with them for so many years. I can't even begin to tell you how long. You guys probably could tell me how long I've been rocking with Xiaomi, but I have to scroll back through some of my videos. But this phone's cameras are great, just like I thought they would be. And I'm sure you'll love this phone if you decide to pick it up for the cameras. And that's just my opinion. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. Take care.